and I need you so bad, but I don't know where you are. I cry these tears. On our own, we've been so far. We've sworn at the moon, and we've carried a million stars. My love, still true. Friends have come and gone. Some have left me alone, but I stare at these walls before they made me blue. All along my heart I've known there's one thing in my life that still rings true. I can count on you. Count on you to be there. No questions in the air. No asking why or where. No looking back. Count on you every time to ease my worry mind. You forever be important to me, my America fine. If I have to choose one place to spend my rest of my days, anywhere would do, long as it's close.